I don't want to yell right into it. Sydney!
Big kick, Sid. Good pass. Oh, wrong way.
Turn!
That was a good pass.
There you go. Come on, girls!
Let's go, Adi. Get it. Get it, Adi.
Nice.
Go. Go.
Woo!
Keep going. Way to hustle, babe. Come on.
Nice throw. Go get it. Woo!
All right. Keep going. Good job.
Go, go,
Keep
go!
going. Hustle, babe. Oh, nice.
Go, 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 shoot!
Shoot it.
Honey, shoot!
Oh. Shoot it again.
Go, get it,
God. Turn around, the ball's in play. Oh, what's she looking at?
Oh. Kick it, kick it, kick it, kick it!
Michaela, give her some help, Aya.
Sydney, be ready! Sydney!
Good job, Molly.
Samantha, you gotta be up there.
She can't kick it that far, Brandy!
Come on, Sydney, you can put in there. That was weak. Go get it. Woo! Okay, go, 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 girls! Go!
Nice job, Pig!
Hustle, girls! You gotta get the ball!
Come on, Adi.
There you go.
Get up there, Adi.
Come on, girls! Get it out of there!
Michaela, get up there.
To be closer to number 11.
I'm just gonna act like I have no clue what's going on.
They're here to watch. Nerd.
Michaela, don't wait. Run up and don't wait for them to come all the way to you.
Oh, Sydney.
Dive, Sid.
David, get it, up.
Kick it. Kick it. Not that way.
Oh, not to the goal! Out, out, out! Kick it out! Gosh.
One of the things Sydney needs to work on, getting down to the ball. Now
Yeah.
is
But that's where she needs some kind of training.
well, even she's not doing anything. Adam helped her with.
Go, 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 go!
Like not landing it, sitting on her foot. You know, getting.
Come on, Adi, get ready.
Oh, come on, girls, come on!
Take advantage.
Go, 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 go! Shoot it!
Oh!
Darn it. They should be able to take advantage of this keeper.
Get up there, Adi. Take him out.
Why not? They're still
Go
walking.
get it.
Oh.
Come on.
Nice, stay with it, stay with it! Woo!
Stay on the ball. Good job.
Good
Get
job!
it, Adi, go.
Nice, nice pass! Take it, girls, take it up! Jeez.
Go get it, babe.
Yes, sir.
Go get it.
Go get it, girls. Don't wait for it.
Nope.
Good job, Adi. You go get it. You don't wait for it.
Yeah.
Take it.
Woo! Nice. Come on, girls. Take it up the field.
Yeah. Oh.
Thank you.
Good kick.
Nice kick. Now go get it. Go get it.
Don't just kick it. Take it with you.
Mom's going to Dairy Queen after this.
There you go.
Let's go to Dairy Queen after to wash your brain out.
What did you say?
She said, let's go to Dairy Queen to wash your brain out.
Yeah, it'll work. It'll make us happy too.
No. Well, that's because that's what life is all about, right?
Yeah.
Ow, 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 ow.
Cross it to the middle. Take the ball with you.
No.
Oh. Oh. Is it in? No?
That was in. They lie.
Oh, I thought AR was
She looked like she was standing behind the
on
line,
that
but
one. Yeah, the AR wasn't though.
Go take it, Adi.
They're liars.
Don't wait for it, Adi.
kick it.
Kick it.
Kick it. Nah. Out, girls, get it out. Woo!
Good job.
When they bring the ball up, you gotta move up.
Get it. Sid, you can go get it. And corner kick. Michaela, don't wait. See, now you got your offense doing nothing, just standing up there. You need more of them back.
Nice, take it. Oh. Get it, Sydney.
Big kick up the side, Sid.
Come on, Sydney, boot it.
Come on, Sid.
That's all right, Sid.
Okay.
Ah, go, 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 go. Ah, woo, jeez. There are a lot of feet in there.
You ready, Adi?
Right, well, she can do that. Go get it, girls.
Nice. Come on, girls, go get the ball.
Go get the ball. Good, somebody is at least.
Handball.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, at least it wasn't in the box.
At least number 4 is going after the ball.
You know what's funny? There's always at least 2 or 3 people standing back here. One, two, three, four.
You laugh.
I
I'm
want to
not
bash
kidding.
my head with the Dairy
Oh, goodness. Come on, girls, go get the ball.
Can I bash my head with the Dairy Queen? Please? Over.
Go get it, Adi. Go get it.
Where are we getting this
Good
Dairy
job.
Queen from?
Alright, then $2.
Need her everywhere. Sid, call it, baby. You got that big box.
Go, 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 girls, get the ball.
Get the ball. Get up there.
You ready, Adi? Come on.
There you go. Good job.
Good job.
Black throw.
Throw it, Emily. Come on, guys.
Up the line. Up the line. Good job.
Good throw, good throw.
Oh, let's try.
You're great, baby. Keep up that energy. Let's go.
Sydney!
Go get it, Sydney. Yeah, let it go.
Gosh, child.
What is she not on it today?
You think?
She said, what the heck, because I keep closing inside. I kicked it to the water bottle with it. I'm like This is her feet.
Sid, you can take it any side.
I guess it was my fault. That probably wasn't the best person to. Well, you are skill-wise, but because it's sibling.
Save it, keep it. Good job.
Go up the. Oh, no one there.
Come on, Audie.
Girls.
Turn it up, Audie.
Nice. Go! Take it! Go! Go! Go!
Come on, Audie.
That's a kissing jerk.
Woo!
Good job, babe.
Keep going! Keep going! Nice. Nice. Way to fight for that ball. Woo!
Good job.
Yeah.
It'll freeze our latest memory.
Take it.
I guess she's got to be everywhere. Oh, that was incidental.
You ready, Sydney?
Good job, babe.
Sydney, dive if you have
Don't
to.
worry about it.
Trevor dives for everything.
Better go
She
get
dives
the
for
ball
nothing.
after this.
And she falls and everything.
Oh, yeah.
That was a good idea. Not going directly into
That was
pressure.
nice. Save it.
Go play it up
Kick
the line.
it!
Come on.
Anybody have any cyanide pills?
No, but we have some drink. I'm drinking a little bit.
Clear it out.
Kick it!
Clear
Kick
it
it!
out.
Kick it!
Oh, you got it, Sid. Good job.
Michaela.
Big kick, Sydney.
There.
Throw it up.
Come on.
Great
There,
hustle,
there
Audie.
you go.
Okay.
Come on, babe. Doing great. Keep it up.
Nice, nice. Woo!
Nice.
Come on, get it back, girls! She's like, that girl's too slow. I'm gonna get it.
Somebody's got to do it.
No, wait.
Any conversations?
Huh?
I don't know. 11's like, that girl's tall.
Good job, man.
Dad, can I see your phone
Just
real
going
quick?
into a downward spiral. Downward spiral. Wow. What do you need my phone for, Didi?
I want to install an app so that you can do the Plants vs. Zombies.
I can give you it.
Yeah, with an app called Bud.
Oh, I want to take it from you and give it, or take it from me and give it to you.
No, I think it'll copy.
You think? You don't know. Look it up first.
Wait, no. It will. Because
You're guessing. Look it up. Keep going. It's still in. Come on.
She needs some help, Audie. Come on.
Turn around. Sid, go get it. Go get it.
Michaela.
React sooner, Sid. Go get that ball. Less up, Sid.
Good kick.
Oh, nice. Go, Audie.
Hey, get up there to receive. Oh.
Good job.
Nice kick. Woo! Come on, girls, go!
Keep going.
Take it. Yeah, she does have to be everywhere.
Wait, hold on. Maybe I don't have to do that.
It used to be, I think we got it from Amazon, and I just don't think it's available anymore.
What?
Number 4, that's like, that's
France versus
they're all over the field too.
Why is another? I mean, once you've done one, it should be.
Yeah, I guess you can look.
That's what I'm doing right now.
Take it. Good job.
Nice action. Get the ball.
Run. Dribble. Slow mo.
Good job,
Get it! Good job, Michaela.
Nice. Go, go, go. Come on, girls. Go get the ball.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, but it's Wi-Fi download only, so you won't be able to do it
Push through, Audie.
until we get home.
Get there, Michaela.
Other side, yeah, get on the other side of the ball.
There you go.
Come on, Audie.
Come on, girls. Go get it. You
Get it,
can't wait
Michaela.
for it.
Let it go, Sid. Let it go. Good job. Yeah. Good kick, Sid. Nope.
Oh, is she okay?
Yeah. There you go. For this, Sid. Good job.
She fell right in the back of her head.
Yeah. Try to tell him if you're hurt, stay down.
Can we take it to my
Go. Jeez. Sid, follow through. She's stopping her foot. She's not used to doing that. Not usually doing that.
Is the camera on mute?
No.
Hopefully I don't let you jack your phone up already.
I mean, it's falling out apart. I know.
Hope you're not going to get in trouble.
I wouldn't think so. They didn't give me anything to protect it. I found the screen cover on that is the one that Best Buy first or whatever pulled up. You know, it's basically one of the returns, I guess. You know, they didn't take, you know, on one of those screen covers. So I just cleaned it. I cleaned it, and it worked. It stayed. So okay.
Oh, go, 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 go.
Come on, turn it. Get in front. Keep yelling, Sid.
Good girl, keep going.
Go, 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 go. Take it with you. Take it with you. Yeah, you're in shooting range. Go, go, go. Turn it.
Come on.
Your AR didn't call it. Oh, corner? Oh, okay, we'll take it.
How did he get a coin?
I guess. I don't know. I didn't even think it went out.
I was going to say, that's why I'm confused.
Okay, somebody's got to be there.
Turn it!
There you go. Good idea. Wasn't past yourself. It's a girl shadowing her.
Get him, Eddie! Get him, Eddie!
Come on, Michaela.
Nice kick. Come on. Go get it.
Watch the middle, Michaela.
Audie, what are you doing way over there?
I tell her she's needed everywhere.
Come on, Audie!
Go, go,
Go,
go,
go,
go,
go.
baby, go.
Go!
Yeah.
Shoot, baby, shoot.
Oh.
hustle, babe. Come on, run!
Oh, good job. Wow.
Save it, go, go, go!
Yeah, pass it to her. Turn it, turn it,
Come
turn
on,
it.
baby, come on, baby, shoot!
Come on. Keep going, keep going. Okay.
Take it,
Yeah,
take
good,
it.
good job. Keep plowing through. Go, go. Oh!
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 Good shot, babe.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh my goodness.
Really?
How?
That was
Look at
quick.
the play finish.
Move!
Oh my gosh. Nice. Oh, you got ice.
Oh, I'm freezing.
Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Don't run. There you go. Kick it, Sid. There you go. No, it's in. Play it.
Go, 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 girls, go!
There you go. Keep pressing. Keep pressing.
Nice. Go, go, go! Shoot!
Off the toe. Oh!
Oh, nice kick. Man, look at that fancy
I got you a
keeper jersey.
There's no splash.
Yeah, maybe they have that at that store that we're supposed to get shirts at.
Oh,
Hello, guys.
Corner kick?
We should. We should.
I guess you're saying it deflected off.
Oh, it's a minute off.
Go, girls, follow it! Put it in there.
I have to get her soccer ball. You want to sit in the
Sydney, get over there!
Don't back up on it. Keep going. Good job, Sid.
No, his hand was in the ice.
Get back in position, Sid. Come on, gotta get it out. Kick it more. There it is. There's a loss. Not there. Sitting back in position. No.
She's the one that couldn't even control it, so.
Well, Sydney's got to remember to get back in position and drop back.
I still tell her that.
Go up, Samantha, go up.
There need to be three of you on it.
Pick a team, really.
Go up, Samantha, go up.
Spread it out, girls.
Go up, Samantha, go up.
At the game. At the game.
Go, go.
You're offended me. He said you're just offended me. In the grade we
Go, go, go. Kick it. Big kick. No, go, buddy, in goal. Go.
Kick it!
What
Oh!
did I do? Jeez.
Doesn't shoot and shoot.
You know what? I have one of those books.
I'm keeper. You don't have all day. There you go. Somebody from the black team. Let's go. Go. Take it on the outside. Outside. What? I don't get it. Kids always end up kicking it right at things instead of around them. Huh? No, I mean even like, you know, they got a wide open goal, but they kick it at the goalie, you know. Take it away from that, girls.
Samantha, play your position.
All right, Sid. Get into action, Sid.
Come on, Sydney, boot it!
There you go.
Thank you.
Good job.
Nice.
Move. To the goal, to
Take
the
it
goal.
Woo!
Shoot it, shoot it. Ugh.
Turn it, turn it, turn it!
Don't pass it to 7. Offsides.
Good job, Samantha.
Still offsides.
You get to keep the jersey?
I think by the end of this game, rip all my hair out.
Yeah.
I don't know if she's better defensive. She could probably score a goal.
Yeah, I know. That's the problem. She's offsides. Well, the AR certainly wasn't paying attention.
They don't have a team.
What kind of team is that with your team? Oh, okay. Well, where's your banner?
Wow.
Too hard yet?
And then no one's there. Turn it around. Don't dribble it down backwards. Go,
Sydney,
Sid.
go! Boot it!
There you go.
Come on. Can't we just tell her to follow it? I mean,
Sydney, move up! Fill that gap!
go, go, go! Get it, get it!
Shoot! Come on, play!
Girls, come on! There's no whistle, go!
Shoot it, Jocelyn!
Offsides,
Oh, now.
yeah.
God.
Sydney, that ball gets loose. Come up and kick it in. God, can we do this any slower?
If she doesn't make club next time, you're gonna take a team
Oh my God.
and you're gonna coach her. So I hope you're able to figure out your schedule because there's no way in the world I'm gonna put her through this. What are you guys doing? Come on. What is the issue here?
I don't know.
Time's ticking.
Now I gotta go to the other AR.
What is the issue?
Wow. Need a bit of time.
Okay, you guys are wasting so much
Now they're
time.
wasting it.
I have no clue. Never seen this before.
Somebody didn't start their watch at the half.
Well, then use the other one. I mean,
No, that's what he's bouncing between. See if anybody else did it.
come on. Isn't that their job? Go, 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 go!
And you just estimate. That's what I did if my watch screwed up.
He's actually really impressed.
Oh, yeah, he's fine.
Go, come on,
Go,
girls.
go, 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 go!
You're moving slow enough. Don't slow it down anymore.
Go, go, go!
Shoot it! Shoot it! One of you two. Go. Ah! Oh my gosh.
Gosh darn it! What's he calling?
Almost.
Quit fighting against each other and work together.
Samantha, play up.
Oh, one of them.
Jeez.
Wow. Come on, Sydney, be ready. Get up there.
There you go.
Go, 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 girls.
Where's number 4?
That's a good question.
You need her in.
She's sitting out. Why?
Go, keep plowing through. Go, go, go. Well, you can see certainly one thing that Sydney had a, jeez. Sydney had a goal and her out of the game. Look what happened. Get out of each other's way.
You can see the difference without her in.
No, you got a bad combination of girls who don't care and then girls who just want it.
Don't raise your arms, honey.
Turn it, go, go, go!
Go, go, go! Come on, girls, go get the ball!
Don't give up! Keep going!
I seriously want to cry. Seriously.
Yeah.
I can't believe we did this to her. I'm not kidding, I can't
Oh,
believe we
after
did
this
to
game,
her.
we apologize to her.
No, but I want to pull her off. I'm a star coach. You don't know what they're doing.
Big kick set, don't! Come on, girls, talk!
Go, go, go!
Go up, Samantha, go up, Samantha.
Nice, Brandy, nice. Stay on her.
Kick it, pass it. Pass it to number 2.
And then that one, yellow shoes was out of position right in front of Sydney. Kick the ball.
Turn it, turn it!
Wrong way, come on.
Come on. Come on, Sydney, get
Do it,
out of
Sid.
there!
Turn it, Sid. Turn it, turn it, turn it! Good job, Sid. Oh. Throw it, Sid, throw it! Feet down!
Of course, you should throw it at one of your own, but that's all right. Oh,
Where's the goal?
come on, girls.
Corner. Oh, okay.
Why do you put them in defensive attack?
Yeah, they're less dangerous if you put the ones that can do that in offense. Or stick them in the midfield, but it seems like we don't have a midfield. It's all defense or all offense.
Go, go, go! Take it down the field! Come on, girls, go!
Spread out so you can be a pass. Spread out.
Don't
Spread-
bunch up, girls!
Two, move. Yeah. Go to the side, go to the side. Oh, wow. Like, okay, I lost the ball. I'm done.
Dairy Cream.
It's still in, go! Oh, no. Thank you. What do you want to bet? What do you want to bet? Now Sydney's going to sit. You watch.
Turn Sid on the ball, baby.
It's a little frustrating, huh? When they're walking behind us. That's frustrating. No, go! Run!
She's offside. No, no offsides on the throw. That's right.
Yeah. Is our keeper? Oh, yeah, there's. Come on. Boot it, baby, boot it. Nice.
There you go. Go, Sid.
Come on, Sydney, get up there.
Take it,
go.
Sid. Take it, Sid. Use your plowing abilities.
3, 2, 1, walk.
Nice.
There you go. Go,
Sydney,
Sid.
come on.
Run
Stay
with it, baby. Stay with it, Sid. Oh,
Now
no.
I'm like the mean mom because I'm yelling at her.
On the offensive side of things, she's not. Ball control isn't her strong suit. Sid, go get it! Go, Sid, go! Around the player, around them!
Sydney. Child.
Oof.
What is that?
Yeah, need more black down there.
Girls, come.
Coach, tell them they need to come down the field.
Oh, having 5 in the back does nothing when the ball's on the other side.
Throw it to the only other player you have over there, Sydney. No, Sydney, it's a throw in.
Sydney, throw!
Yeah, the AR's not helping any either. She went along with it. Yeah.
Now there's nobody. Girls, move up!
Sydney, in the middle. Wrong way. There you go.
Come on.
Now follow it, Sid, follow it.
Go! Come on, girls! Girls! I'm so frustrated.
Go, Michaela!
Nice! Woo! Come on, go, 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 go!
Playing in the middle of your thoughts.
I swear I'm gonna beat your face in. You are not gonna play today.
There.
Sid, get back there and help D.
Jeez, come on.
This one.
Wow, they're just playing with the ball in front of the goal. Sydney, get back and help D.
Go! Take it down, baby! Go, go, go!
All the way, baby, all the way. Don't turn around.
Turn! Come on! Sydney, get it! Gosh darn it, girl.
She's no
Look at that ball.
slow in the thing, too.
Nice kick! Go,
Go get it, Sydney.
Get it! Better run, child.
There you go. Good pass, good pass.
You're passing it too.
Well, open space, that's what they're supposed to do, but I'm sure she didn't mean it
Girls,
that way.
move up!
Go, turn it. Go to the goal. Go to the goal. Sydney, get in there to help.
Sydney, come on.
Come on, Audie, stop it.
Woo!
Okay, Sydney, get over there and help her. A wind up.
It's still in there.
Well, you got the wind up. They got to do. They're still young on that one.
Hey,
Oh yeah, but don't.
what are you standing around for?
You're like,
Nice.
ouch.
Go,
that
go,
one.
go! We are not past apparently learning. Don't just kick it once and let it. You know what I'm saying?
Your AR is pointing one way. Which way is the ball going? Yeah, your AR pointed the other way.
Nice. Good job. Come on, Devin. Answer your text. Does that mean you're asleep?
I should
Call
call
your
her then.
sister.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Text might make just a simple noise versus. Okay, defense, go get it! Go get it!
Oh. Nice. Say, Mom, Dad, I want to know if you're awake and go check on Nance. It's almost 9 o'clock. She needs to get up anyway.
Oh, corner kick.
I just wanted to see if you were awake and
Come on, Sydney, go!
Sid, pass it up, baby. Pass it up, Sid. Pass
Sydney,
it.
pass it!
You got one player up there. Pass it to her.
Go, go, go!
Now support, baby. Support.
Be up there, Sydney!
Not too close, but support.
Come on, come on, come on!
Oh.
Good try.
Good job.
Sydney, turn around and wait for the goal kick.
Was she awake?
Yeah. It sounded very sleepy.
Good job,
It's
Samantha.
9 o'clock. It's time to get up. I don't care if it's Saturday or not. Give me a break. Everybody else is up. Well, that's a whole nother story. He's a freak.
Take it, Sid. Take it.
Oh! Gosh, she got it, but then...
What can we offer Sydney if she scores a goal?
Anything.
Go up, Samantha. Go up.
Sydney, we'll give you money if you score.
Nice! Go baby, shoot!
Support, Sid.
Good try! Good try!
Good job. Good job.
You'll get it.
Go get it, Sydney. Settle it.
Go up. Go
up.
Take it, Sid, take it. Go through, Sid, through. Go, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Plow through, plow through. Oh my gosh. Sydney, put a foot on it. Put a foot on it, Sid. Oh. Yeah. Oh my God. That was ugly, but it worked.
Sydney!
Put a face on it.
Good job.
What are you saying now?
Samantha. That's the way to play your position.
Sydney! Way to help!
That's how you play your position.
Like, screw you. Wait, they can't kick it from there, can they?
No, they don't understand either.
I'm like, what are we doing?
One more, Sid!
One more face shot?
Yeah. Or fall on your face and the ball goes in. Go get it, Sid! Take it from him!
I'll take it. Come on, come on, come on!
Where's she going? The ball's over there.
Come on, girls!
Come on.
Good job.
Oh, get out of each other's way, not in the middle.
Girls, get it out! Yeah!
There you go. Settle it. Oh, that was weird.
Come on, girls!
Don't drop back.
Accurate, Audie.
Don't drop back. Cross it, Sid. Good job.
Nice cross, Sid. Come on!
Now get up there to get past to. Go, Sid. Sydney, be an option.
Sydney!
Got to get closer to the ball.
Up here!
Pass it.
Pass it to Sid.
Yeah, go, 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 go!
Sid.
Girls, go get the ball! You'll be playing with your braids. Go get the ball. Seriously?
And whoever girl on the other team is sitting there talking to her. She's hanging out with him.
I'm sure some of your parents aren't going to like you for my comments, but I don't care. He says you
Go
train
up,
for crying out loud. Either you don't play or you don't.
Go get it. Go get it. Good job.
Nice!
Go get it,
Sydney!
Sid. Turn it, Sid. Turn it.
Go! Sydney, go!
Take a shot, Sid.
Nope,
Oh,
kicked it too hard.
yeah. Look at the power. She can just do it. Like a pretty outside goal.
Should be ours, yeah. Thank you. I don't know if I would call it any time.
Yeah. If Sydney gets the ball close enough, it's hard to shoot, but now she's slowing down. Kick it up, kick it up. Oh, okay. Sid, get up there, help out.
Pass it to your teammate.
Girls, go
Turn
get
around.
the ball! Why do they listen to me more? Because I'm yelling. Come on. But every time I say it, yeah, they turn. Kick it! I wish I had the knowledge to go along with my mouth.
Go get it, 4. Go get it, 4. We need you, 4.
Girls, kick it!
Let it go, let it go.